Welcome to my channel one more time, and today we're gonna make stir fry beef with vegetables. This is gonna be so delicious. I hope you like this video. And for this recipe we're gonna need beef loin. This one's kind of big. Make sure you buy one that is kind of tender, but if you can also use any type of beef, or you can also use chicken or pork. And what I'm gonna do is just cut the tenderloin in slices, and then I'm gonna cut it in little pieces. You can see that it's a little frozen, but it doesn't matter because we're gonna leave it outside just for a while, and we're gonna marinate it. I'm not gonna use the whole meat. What I'm gonna use is maybe like 1.5 pounds, and the rest I'm gonna put in a Ziploc bag and just keep it in the freezer. We're gonna transfer all the meat into a bowl, and we're gonna add a lot of spices. We're gonna cook this like Asian style, okay? I'm gonna use some sea salt, some garlic powder. You can use you can calculate here. You don't have to use a lot. I'm gonna use lemon pepper. If you cannot find lemon pepper, you can always use like black pepper, and then add some like lemon juice if you want. I like to use this seasoning complete that you can also find in a lot of supermarket, and you can marinate this meat any way you want. I like to add a lot of spices, and I'm gonna put some little pairing sauce. You can use like 2 tablespoons of this, 1 tablespoon of that. Add some oil, and then we're gonna add some more ingredients like soy sauce. This soy sauce is kind of like light in sodium, and some sesame oil. As you can see, we are marinating this Asian style. I like to use like this dark soy sauce with mushroom flavor, like 1 or 2 tablespoons of that, and combine everything. I'm gonna add 2 more ingredients. If you think this is a lot of spices, you can always change it. You can omit some spices. I like to use MSG. I know this is very controversial, but there's nothing wrong with using MSG, okay? And put some cornstarch. If you don't want to use MSG, just omit it. Don't freak out. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and then combine everything. Just let it sit there or let it rest for like maybe half an hour. These are the vegetables that I'm gonna use. I have half of 1 white onion, carrots, some cilantro, and some green and red bell pepper. And our meat is already flavored with a lot of spices. In a pan, I'm gonna use a little bit of oil, and with a brush, we're gonna spread everything inside there. Make sure your pan is very hot. I like cooking at home. You can always save money. Your food tastes better than eating out, and you can treat your family to something amazing. Just put all the meat in there, and we're gonna stir fry it. You start adding everything. Make sure you have a pan that is kind of wide so you have a lot of spaces when you're combining all the ingredients in there. And make sure you guys watch my other videos. I have a lot of videos in my channel here. Once in a while I'm uploading video here so you can learn how to cook some kind of foods that I like to eat. Just keep mixing everything here, and I'm gonna show you a trick later on. Just keep watching, please. Okay, what you're gonna do here is just you're gonna see that when you are cooking beef or pork, the meat releases a lot of juices or water, and you don't want to throw it away. or you don't want to leave it in the pan all the time because it's going to take a long time to cook all this. You see all the juice, all the flavor in there, that all the brown stuff. Don't throw it away. What I like to do is use a strainer and then put all the meat in there, and all the juice is gonna go in the bottom, and we're gonna use it later. Now you're gonna transfer all the meat into the pan one more time with your flame like medium. You don't wanna cook it high flame, and you just keep tossing everything around here. You can use a spoon, or you can just use your hand and give it a swing. If you like shrimps, you can use shrimps instead of beef. We already have a recipe there. You can make sure you click on your right side of your screen or at the end of this video. Once your meat is like brown, that's what we want it. Just transfer it to a bowl. Put back your pan, add a little bit of oil, and now we're gonna fry our vegetables. As you can see, I'm not using a lot of oil here. We got here carrots, onion, bell peppers, and cilantro. And just keep mixing everything here. We don't wanna eat raw vegetables. You wanna make sure your vegetables are soft. And I like to add some peanuts. Yes, you can put peanuts, or you can put cashew. You can add any seeds in there. Put back all your meat in there, and we're gonna combine everything here. Now, if you want this a little bit of juice in there, make sure you add some water. You can add some white wine, but I like to put all the sauce that was left in the bottom of the other bowl. And if a little piece falls off your pan, just make sure you eat it. It's so good. I like to add honey because when you are adding a lot of Asian sauce, like soy sauce, sometimes those sauces are very salty, and you can combine it. You can regulate your sodium adding sugar or honey, and then you serve it on a plate. And you can eat this with some steamed white rice. That's it. That's how I like to cook this at home. We enjoy it a lot. Oh my God, it was so delicious. See, we have our rice here. Maybe, I don't know if you're interested in showing you how to cook white rice. It's so simple, very easy. Maybe next time. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Make sure you give it a like if you like it. If you don't, then leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Take care. God bless you.